Yeah, you can slide there. That's for sure.
Slide, Mom. That's fun.
Or jump.
Try it. Slide. Slide is way better.
Her sister tried to teach him what to do, so he will not be scared. Yay! Good job!
Yes, one. You want to try it again, do you? No, it's very fun. Let's climb higher until we slide. This is good enough. This is how high it's supposed to be.
It's not smooth. You make sure you make sure that it's smooth one so you can slide nicely and then a little bit higher. Oh, it's funny. No, you slide many times and then it will smooth up. Oh, oh. You should not touch the snow because mommy did not bring you gloves that won't soak up anywhere. This is only small gloves. I mean thin gloves. It's not for snow.
I did not touch the snow too much. My hands don't get cold.
Good.
But Bonbon did. He's not allowed to touch the snow like that.
Okay, let's go home.
No, we want to slide. No.
Is it?
Let's climb. Mom, this is so much fun. I never believed that it's so much fun in this ice place.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Oh, the rock. It's right there. Inside, in your pocket. Looking good, Yara. Oh. There.
Snow in my palm. Hey! I can see far away. I can see the pickup.
Good.
I can see the trees way far away from us.
Yeah, at least you can see the world now, right?
I can see the far away trees and those trees. I can see the mountains. The mountains. But this is the highest mountain. Hey, so much rocks.
Diyan sa may ano na yan, yan yung bahay namin.
Here,
Yung malaking
this rock.
rose tree, diyan.
Touch it.
Malapit diyan, tapos paliko.
Climb with me.
So ito yung
And you can find another.
daanan namin, ayan.
Is that scary?
Tapos papunta dito. Nag-aantay kami sa asawa ko. Gusto nilang maglaro, kaya ayan.
Hi! They can't hear me.
Oh yeah?
The geese was trying to shout, but
Where's the geese? Is it the geese? No, no geese yet, because it still had lots of snow. Soon, they will be back here. Are you guys not
Climb over
cold?
there. Yes.
Oh,
But I don't feel cold. I like feeling cold.
I'm not that cold. Are you sure? Very sure? Can you say I love you, mommy, big time?
Big time.
Aww, what a boy, so
am I?
sweet.
Where am I? Up the hill?
Yeah, up the hill.
I can get down. Am I ready to jump? Am I ready to jump out?
Yeah, jump. Woohoo!
This is a slide mountain.
Mm-hmm.
This is a climbing mountain.
Climbing mountain here, and then the slide mountain over there. That one is higher. And nothing to climb in there because it's kind of smooth.
But it's easily going. Like this. It's breaking because I can't climb there if it's breaking. It's a little bit soft, so I cannot climb high enough. I can easily slide down over here, so not down, but this place is breaking, so I cannot. No. I can only
Let's go home.
Watch us! Watch me!
Wow. Let's go now. Dad is not home yet, so we should go.
No, Mom, no. No. We love it over here.
Really?
We don't want to leave here. This is our best home ever.
So you like to sleep here?
You just build us our bed and build us a tent, and we can sleep there.